Just hear me out. Just hear me out. Move over zucchini, am I right? Oh my god. Okay. Look how perfect and stringy this is. That's a noodle. That's a noodle. I've had 3 cucumbers today. I usually have 1, max 2. 3. I've had 3 today. Capers. These are actually so good. If you can find these big ass capers, they're better than the small ones. So weird inside. I don't know, I'm weird. I like cooking in my kitchen, but I honestly prefer cooking in my car. I didn't think I was gonna use this whole thing. Boy, was I wrong. Oh my god, look. Do you see? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, pause. No, because that's actually amazing. Oh my god, okay. I'm so excited right now. Cheers. No, because personally for me, I love a noodle. You get the slurpage, you get a good crunch. And TBH, it could use like more of everything. More salmon, more onion, more cream cheese. This is actually the best thing ever. I've never been happier.